In this video, we'll show you how to find penny items on Dollar General online store. So if you go to the dollargeneral.com, you will see shop by category, and right here there will be dollar deals. And if you go in the dollar category, you will see a lot of items that cost nearly $1 or less, guys. So right here you can find the penny items on Dollar General. So you can click on view more, and there are a lot of this type of products. So you can just click on this plus icon, add to your cart, and make the purchase on Dollar General. Or you can also check another category, which is sale. So you can go to on sale category, and you can see a lot of products, and some of them might be discounted to a penny, guys. So that's how you can find the penny items on Dollar General. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.